Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the starting page for Opera GX. And to do this we'll need to click and open up the settings. Scroll down and on the bottom we can find on Startup. Here I'm using retained tabs from a previous session. You can also begin with a fresh start page or open a specific page at the set of pages. So let's enable that. Here we can add a new page. So for example, let's go with youtube.com. Click on add. Now when you open your Opera, it should run with this website opened. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.